1 cup condensed milk. Cook on low to medium flame until thickened. Cup milk. Cook on medium flame for 10 minutes. Two tablespoons finely chopped almonds. Cook for 2 minutes. Cool it down completely. Freeze for 6 to 8 hours. Roohafza.